Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix out of sync audio on TikTok. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You might have encountered with the problem where your TikTok audio could be behind or acting faster than the behind the action of the video. This means that your TikTok audio is out of sync. In that case, here are some troubleshooting methods you could follow in order to resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to make sure to restart your TikTok application. Simply close off the TikTok application if it is running on your background. And once you do that, the next thing to do is to restart your device. Press the power button of your mobile device and simply restart or switch off your device. Soon after you restart your system, go ahead and open up your TikTok application. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to check for available updates for TikTok. Open up your App Store if you're using an iOS, or you can open up your Play Store if you are using an Android. Soon after you open up your App Store, go to the search box and type in TikTok and perform your search. You'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the TikTok app. If there is an available update for your application, tap on the update button if there is, and once you update to the latest version, you might be able to fix your issue. If not, next thing to do is to clear out your TikTok's cache. Tap Open TikTok app from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main homepage, tap the bottom right-hand corner where it says Profile, and from your profile page, tap on the horizontal bars at the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy from the bottom and scroll all the way down until you see Clear Cache button. Give it a tap and this will clear out the cache data from your TikTok app. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your out of sync audio on TikTok. If clearing out your cache does not help, make sure to check TikTok app permission. Simply open up Settings and from the Settings menu, scroll all the way down. Find TikTok from the app list and give it a tap. Make sure that all of the permissions that are needed for the app to operate are turned on, and once you do that, go back and tap Open your TikTok application and see if that fixes your issue. If nothing else works out, simply delete your TikTok app from your mobile device and reinstall it back again, and this might help you fix your issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever your audio is out of sync on TikTok app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.